Usually, when we have angry thoughts, we do not really notice their nature. But now we're trying to bring thoughts into our practice and take a really good look at them. At first, we start by being deeply relaxed in a composed state of mind, resting evenly. Then we allow a strong emotion, such as anger, to arise on its own, or we provoke one. Next, we look into exactly what the substance, the fiber of this anger is, in order to see what it is really composed of. Does it have the same identity, the same nature as the relaxed, peaceful mind? Is it born out of this mind? Just like a child being born from a mother, is the anger born out of the relaxed, empty cognizance or not? Is it perhaps something that radiates out like a light from the sun, while still being identical to it? We need to discover this. You must, however, be very careful not to mistake the idea of emptiness for the actual experience. The idea of emptiness has to do with intellectual understanding, proving assumptions and drawing conclusions. Whereas experience is to see it for what it is within yourself, not as a theory but in actuality. You should make sure that you do not make the mistake of taking an idea for the actual experience,